In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new task in ClickUp. Easy method. Whether you're managing projects for work or keeping personal plans on track, adding tasks the right way keeps everything organized. Start by opening your browser and heading to the ClickUp website. On the home page, choose Login. If you prefer a quick sign-in, select the option to continue with your Google account and pick the account connected to your workspace. Once you're in, you'll land in your workspace. Next, navigate to the space where you want the task to live. You can open an overview or switch to a Kanban style view if that's how you like to work. From here, move into the specific list or area for your task. For example, your sales list if that's where this item belongs. This ensures the task appears in the right place for your team and keeps your views clean and accurate. Now, look for the Add Task button. Click it to open the new task window or panel. Start with a clear, descriptive title that makes the action obvious at a glance. If more context is helpful, add a description. Use this space to capture key details or quick instructions so no one has to guess what success looks like. Assign the task to the person responsible, including yourself if you're the owner. Assigning makes accountability clear and helps tasks show up on the right dashboards and personal to-do lists. Next, set a due date by opening the calendar and choosing the date the task should be completed. Deadlines help you track progress and prioritize work across the week or sprint. While you're here, set a priority level to indicate urgency. This makes it easier to see what needs attention first when scanning a long list. You can also set the status or progress level as you create the task. Mark it as to do, in progress, or complete, depending on where it stands right now. Keeping statuses accurate helps your board views reflect reality and makes stand-ups and reviews more efficient. Before wrapping up, double-check the details. Title, description if needed, assignee, due date, priority, and status. When everything looks good, click Save or Create Task. You'll see the task appear right away in your list or on your board. If you're capturing a batch of items, go ahead and add another task the same way, then save again. And that's it. Quick, simple.